Hello, my name is Khurram Sharif, and I'm going to talk to you about the General Management Program. You must be asking yourself, why should I attend this program? What's in it for me? Fair question. Well, if you look around you, the management scene is changing. Organizations are transforming. What was relevant yesterday is not relevant today. So what are some of these best practices? What are some of these contemporary practices? This is what we will discuss in this program. In particular, we will look at the key areas of leadership, change management, time management, decision making, relationship management, and the impact of technology on organizations. So, best practices. How is Google able to motivate its employees to be so creative? So what practices are they using? First Direct, the best bank in the world with a satisfaction rate of 85%. How do they achieve this phenomenal performance? Well, these are some of the questions we will be looking into. Furthermore, you will have an excellent opportunity of networking with like-minded individuals. This will create an environment which will be ideal for experiential learning. Now, if I was to conclude this program, it will be about people, it will be about performance, and it will be about change management. So I hope you will join us for this wonderful learning opportunity. Thank you very much for listening, and bye-bye.